The all-new 2019 Toyota Avalon has arrived here at Toyota Bowling Green, designed to give every day new meaning. This is an awesome car. A Toyota first, Apple CarPlay is now a standard feature. You can pair it with your compatible iPhone, get directions, make calls, send and receive messages, listen to your own playlists. Another really cool feature is the available Toyota Remote Connect. It's been enhanced to work through voice commands, and you can locate your vehicle and even unlock the doors. Now, what we're looking at here today is the 2019 XSE Avalon in black, actually midnight black metallic. I'd love to show you this vehicle, the Kinny Landrum at Toyota Bowling Green, only on the corner of Scottsville Road and Lovers Lane. Can't wait to see you.